The attorney representing the man accused of kidnapping and killing Sydney Sutherland has requested a mental evaluation for his client. Thanks for joining us on KRK4 News at 10. I'm Laura Monteverdi. 25-year-old Sutherland disappeared in August while jogging. 2 days later, her body was found, and Quake Lewellyn was charged with capital murder, kidnapping, and rape. Our Claire Kreitz has been following this case, and she spoke with the defense attorney about this new motion and what's next.
Attorney Bill James says he's keeping every option open when it comes to his defense. That means seeing if mental health played a part in this crime. This motion could delay the case a few months.
I know that Mr. Llewellyn is anxious to get to trial, to talk about what happened and to prove his side of it.
The death penalty still on the table for Quake Lewellyn, the man accused of kidnapping and killing 25-year-old Sydney Sutherland.
And what that means is we have to look at every possible avenue as far as defense goes and how we're going to present the evidence to the jury.
Defense attorney Bill James says one of those avenues, a mental evaluation. In this motion filed in the Jackson County Circuit Court, James says due to a mental disease or defect, Mr. Llewellyn may not fully understand the proceedings against him.
If we intend to use any kind of mental health issues, we have to let the court know that. If we do that, then the state has an opportunity to evaluate the person charged with the crime with their own doctors.
Is there anything that makes you think he could have some mental issues?
Well, no, I mean, not specifically, but what I learned in my 25 years of this practice is that I'm not a psychologist.
James says stress or a certain life event could play a part, and in any case, it's important to have a professional make those determinations.
Under the Arkansas law, you don't particularly have to be crazy or not know what you're doing or unable to control yourself to still be able to use mental health evidence if it's appropriate to your mental state and what happened.
Llewellyn is set to appear in front of a judge and jury February 16th. James says this motion will probably push that back.